Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here with a different video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your battery for your Xiaomi cell phones. This one is a Xiaomi Mi Max. So first thing first, you want to power off the phone if it's powered on. So when the power is off, first thing first, you want to remove the SIM card tray of the phone just by pinching in the hole. And just remove it and put it to a side. We're gonna grab, I always recommend you guys grab this, the iFix toolkit. It comes with everything that you need, opening tools and many other stuff. So first thing first, you can either use this one, or you can use, if you don't have this tool, you can use a guitar pick. They're all the same, pretty much they have the same effect. This one pretty much is a guitar pick with a handle, and this is a guitar pick, just a guitar pick. So we're not gonna stick the guitar pick anywhere on the phone except the bottom part where the jack, just right beside there, because that's the softer spot. You're gonna stick it between the top and the aluminum cover, just a little bit. And then you're gonna see the plunger or guitar pick is gonna go over. And you're gonna go around it, just slowly. You don't wanna bend the bottom cover. Just wanna unhook the locks that they have. You need lots of patience with this one. You want to hear those clicking. You can leave this one in and you can grab few guitar picks so it doesn't slide back in. You leave that one in there. Go to the side. Do the other side there. And you can see it's just coming out. You can do with one too, but if you have a few of these ones, it makes the job much easier. Now we got one side in. Now we're gonna do the other side. So do this side, put that one in there. Do the corners. Once you have the side and the corners in, you should be fine. Be careful where the power button is and the volume rocker. You don't want to push right on those with the guitar pick or anything. Just do around it. And once you're in this position that is almost open, remember there's a touch finger lector right here, sensor. So don't yank on it. Just slowly, gently unhook. And you're going to see this big ribbon cable right there. You don't want to damage that cable, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. So what do you want to do? You want to place it down on the table and you want to lift it up towards the SIM chip, SIM card, and just put it just like that, slowly. Now, in here the battery is right in front of you. The model is a BM49. That's the model. It comes with a BM50 and 49. This one is a BM49. It's just for the flex cable, how it's positioned. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna remove the black screws right at the bottom plate. Before removing that, you can just unhook this cable right here, the flex cable. Grab your opening tool. And from the back side, put it in and just twist it, and it will just come out. You can put that to a side. Now we're gonna unscrew this one. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. I'm not sure if we need to unscrew the top part. I doubt it. And there's a warranty screw paper right there. Don't remove that unless you want to avoid your warranty. There's one at the bottom. I don't know if you see that. One right here and one right at the top. So if you want to avoid your warranty, you can just remove those two. So you're gonna grab a screwdriver and we're gonna unscrew the black screws right on the metal cover. The screws are the same size, I believe. Alright, once we remove the screws right there, this casing is actually holding from the top plastic, so we're gonna have to remove the top plastic, or we have to cut down this plastic locks right here. In order to not cut this one, I'm just gonna unscrew the 3 screws at the top side. Oh, there's one more screw right here at the bottom. I didn't see that. You actually did not have to, so there is a way to not avoid the warranty. I'm just gonna show you guys. I just figured that out. In order to not avoid the warranty, you could just do that and lift up the cover from the bottom just a little bit. But you won't be able to take it off completely, but you can actually lift up enough so you can unhook the cable for the motherboard for the battery. There we go. So the battery is pretty much unhooked right now. Now next, these 2 flips right here, you can see one on the right at the bottom side of the battery. These are adhesive tape that hold the battery to the frame. Supposedly if you pull on this one gently or slowly, you will be able to, what do you call that, remove the battery easily. So just pull on this one on 45-degree angle. Keep pulling it, just keep going at it. There we go. There's one right there, and we're gonna do the same for the other side. Oh, you see, this is what happens when you snap it, and it snaps, then there's nothing else to do, then just lift out the battery from the side. Just lift it up. And I dropped my guitar pick. So there this is. When you pull these ones out, the battery, these are the adhesive tape. This is the old battery. Keep it in a safe place or just recycle them. And I'm gonna leave in the link in the description where you can buy the new batteries if I find one. Make sure you buy the original one, don't buy the knockoff ones. So I'm gonna put a double-sided tape. I'll leave the link in the description for this ones too. So you're gonna cut. Where did I put that? Just cut one like this. Put it right there. Another one right there. As you can see, I put a little offset right here, so you can actually pull at it so people know where they are located. There we go. After 5 hours. Now we're gonna put the battery in place. Before I lay it down here, I'm just gonna put that thing right there. Put the plunger right there. I'm gonna connect it. It would have been easy if I removed the top plate, but there, it's in place. Before we do anything else, I'm gonna power it on. I don't know if it has any charge in it. Yep, it's powering on. So it does have some charge. So the battery is connected in properly. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna put in all the screws back in. It has a 55% charge. So let's power it off. When you want to connect something, always power it off. So we're going to connect the sensor right here. Grab it in this position, make sure you're nice evenly on top of it. You just push it in from the top side. Now, the tricky part and the proper way is whenever you want to put it back together, always put the volume rocker power on switch down, slide it inward. Put that side in first, just like this, and hold it, and then push the rest in place. Just like that. Let's turn it on. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Click the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. If you have any question, concern, just leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.